Hey everybody, welcome back to Shani Shopping Saga. So we are back in Party City and we're going to take a look at their Easter decor because now they look like they're fully stocked. So we can show you what they have. Right here they have this cute wreath. It's $9.99. And right here it says Easter Bunny Stop Here. It's on sale for $2. This is cute. The little bunny shaped wreath is $12.99. Easter blessings $2.99. Happy Easter $4.99. Happy Easter $3.99. Happy Easter. This one Happy Easter $4.99. This one is $1.49 and they have some pics here. It says Bunny Trail for $4.99. This one is so cute. I know that this one isn't $4.99, is it? My eyes playing tricks on me. Oh yeah. And right here they have some of the little eggs, the little half eggs with the succulents coming out. Happy Easter, $3.99 for this picture. And the little bunnies are $5.99. You have risen for $2.99. They have the carrot lights. These are $7.99. The cute put some spring in your step for $4.99. These are $2.99 with a little bunny tails on them, and they have some cute little buckets with the bunnies going around them. Right here it says Bunny Trail for $5.99. Another one of those wreaths for $12.99. The stick guys, spiral guy $2.99. That one up there is $6.99 and $5.99 for those. And they have the cute little air-filled bunny balloon banner for $9.99. The bouquet $14.99. Happy Easter. Then they have it with the bunny. Extraordinary Award Egg Hunting Master Most Extreme $4. They have this cute hop sign right here. It's really pretty. And they have this cute little hop sign right here. Table decor for $2.99. Have all the tablecloths. Home garden. Happy Easter for $2.99. The cute little bags. The window clean. Well, this is cute. Easter picks for $1.69. I see yellow, blue, pink, mini glitter cutouts. The tassel banner for $2.99. This banner $5.99. The cutouts for $6.99. Cute little hanging sign for $1.49. The bunny with the little chick at the top. And then this one says Hanging with My Peeps. It's really cute. Hip Hop Hooray. $5.99 for this one. It's cute. I love you more than jelly beans. Oh, they have all the cute little plates. These plates are $1.99. They have this one and then this one right here. It says Hello Spring. Enjoy the sunshine. These are actually on sale for $1.49 and you get 4. They have the matching napkins. Happy Easter. $2.99 for these. I see pink, yellow, blue, yellow, the blue one. The Easter egg, the spray centerpiece, some cute little plastic cups, little eggs at $3.99, 20 count Easter egg. This sign is cute. It says Easter. It's $9.99. That's really cute. Some bunny napkin rings for $2.99. You get 4. Right here, this little floral cutout is 99 cents. You have more of the cutouts. Adult apron $9.99. Have the tablecloth $12.99. The bunnies tablecloth $9.99. The teal, purple Happy Easter. Right here you have some culture holders, $2.99, 12. And it's cute. There's a bunny holder tray. This is $12.99. We saw these bunny plates in the last one. If you guys didn't check that out, I'll make sure to put it somewhere so you guys can go check it out. The platter plates we saw last time we were here, $3.99. Say hop, hop, hop. And then right here, they say Happy Easter. And that cute pink. And they have it in the purple. These cute little glasses here, 99¢. And the orange. This cute little sign says home, $5.99. Spring market, $5.99. Life is like an adventure. That's cute. $9.99. Welcome spring. That cute welcome sign for $4.99. These are actually on sale for $2.99. Have one with the bunny, a flower, and a basket. Inside, Hello Spring, the wind chime for $3.99. Oh, look at the cute, the decorating kit, lemonade, $7.99. And then right here, this sign says Hello Spring for $9.99. I did not carry it all. Welcome Spring for $4.99. Oh, Kohl, yeah, for $1.99. These are $4.99. I see some little gnomes, little eggs. Hello Spring. Bloom. I just love this lemon section. This is cute. $4.99. Little lemon cutting board. Hello Earth kids tool set for $4.99. They have the cute little bag for the garden at $9.99. Little gloves are $2.99. Adult apron, children's apron for $3.99. Little pic says welcome. And the bags are $1.49. The cute little watering pail. Let's take a walk back down this way, make sure we didn't miss anything. Okay, and they have a bunch of different baskets. Strawberry basket is cute. These are 10. And then down here, I have the bunny. This one is 10. This one is cute. It's 10. Oh, little unicorn one is really cute. I have the mermaid, the boxes. Oh, it's really pretty. And more Easter stuff down here. You guys enjoyed, and if you have not already, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell so you have all of the notifications when I do upload future videos. They have some Dr. Seuss over here. It's Dr. Seuss's birthday. Okay, and I already showed you guys the St. Patrick's Day and Valentine's in the previous vlog. If you guys didn't get to see that, I'll make sure to have it somewhere so you guys can look at it if you would like. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.